Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make slime. This video is not sponsored, and here goes the tutorial. So I'm going to be making fluffy slime that supposedly, one time I made slime, one day ago, and it's fluffy because I used shaving cream, but it also is butter slime because it spreads really good. So, let me tell you the ingredients and we will go into the tutorial. You will need Elmer's school glue. You could use white school glue. You could use glitter glue. You could use clear glue. It depends on what color you want the slime to be. And you will need food coloring. I'm going to use this to make my slime have a color. You could use any brand of this, but I'm using Bar Soul Thick and Rich Shaving Cream. And here's the glue. And then Up and Up Clear Comfort Multi-Purpose Solution. You could get these items at Target or Walmart. Now let's go into the tutorial. So first you put in your Elmer's glue. As much, so if you want to put a lot of Elmer's glue, that will make you have a lot of slime. And remember, it's always good to have a lot of slime, but it's not too bad to have not enough slime. So, I'm gonna add in some glue. That's enough. Well, a little bit more. Okay. Now, close the cap. And then I'm going to get my coloring. I'm going to be doing rose. So, have to get the red and the blue out. So I'm going to need 5 drops of red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you could do any sort of color you want. I just decided to do rose. And then 1 drop of blue. And then when you're done doing that, you have to mix your coloring and your glue. If you want your slime to have like a bunch of color, you should mix it all throughout the container. So then you could really get that color. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more glue in to have a little bit more slime. Now I close it back up. Now I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. Now it's your choice what color you want it to be. I decided to do rose because I like colors that are really vibrant. And I chose this color because I knew it was kind of going to be like really vibrant. Now once you see no more of the dye, you put your spoon to the side. We're going to need that a little bit later. You get your shaving cream. You open it up. And then you add as much shaving cream as you want. The more shaving cream, the more like it's fluffy. So I'm going to add some shaving cream. Now you're going to have to shake it, but I already shook it. So, just telling you. And then you're going to have to get that spoon again and shake it. Stir. Now your color might end up getting a little bit lighter. That's okay. If you don't want your color to be really light, you don't have to add the shaving cream, but this is to make it fluffy. So then when you think you are okay with how you stirred it, put the spoon to the side again, and then this is when you get your contact lens solution, and just start adding a little bit, and then start stirring it, and then you'll start noticing that's going to get hard, and that's the transition of your slime. And then it'll start showing your progress. You could get it from the sides and make sure you get all the color in. Now make sure that none of your little cousins or siblings ruin or touch the ingredients, because you don't want because this is toxic, and then you might have to go get it out of your throat. So add a little bit more contact lens solution. And when you think it's ready to be kneaded, you could knead it, but you could always just use the spoon. And you could touch it to see if it's the texture you want it yet. Mine isn't the texture I want it to be yet. So I'm going to keep stirring and add more contact lens solution. And keep stirring it. Yes. And keep stirring it and get it from the sides, because you don't want all this goop to be around on the bowl. And if you have a container that you could hold your slime in, that would be even better. So then you could have like a storage of slime. Just keep adding more and more until you think that it's the best looking slime, as you could say. And keep stirring. And when it's not touching the container, that's when you know that your slime is really good. You don't want your slime to feel like it's still just glue. Keep stirring and stirring. keep touching it and seeing if you like the texture of it. I'm gonna add some more. And keep stirring until you come to the point where you like your texture. Now, there you have it. Your own personal slime that you made with Elmer's glue, contact lens solution, and shaving cream and food coloring. And if it ends up getting a little bit hard, add some more contact lens solution, and if it gets out of fluff, add more shaving cream. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and hope you like my slime tutorial. Bye!